Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How you doing? I hope you had a great week this past week, and hope you're able to capitalize on the market move. In this week, this video, I want to talk about my analysis for gold and Euro USD. I'll be starting off with gold from the weekly time frame. And as you can see, price has bounced off this level, never closed below it to the upside, and which is what I was expecting in the last video. If you remember, in the last video, I plotted my Fibonacci retracement, and I said that price was at the 61.8 Fibonacci level, which is this area over here. The price didn't close, and that is around the 1796 level. Price came down, took a lot of people out because there were a lot of buyers here, formed this nice wick and bounced all the way to the upside. So if because I already knew that price was going to bounce off this level, I was only expecting a buy trade, and anytime I saw buy opportunities, I took them. Um, so now for the upcoming week, because price has made this bounce, what I'm expecting is a continuation to the upside for price to break this trend line and this other previous resistance level here around the 1810 level, retest and all the way to the top. This is the move I'm expecting for gold in the coming weeks. Now the question now is, how do you utilize or how do you capitalize on that move? First of all, as you can see, this is one area of importance. Price came back down to test this area before bouncing, making that move, giving us a good opportunity to buy that last week. And now price has gotten to this resistance area where price has tested several times and has rejected off that level, forming this lovely bearish pin bar. So you may think that price after forming this may continue all the way down, which is very possible. There's a possibility that price could continue all the way down to back to this level and possibly even break it all the way back down to this area here, which seems very, very possible when you look at price action. But I would advise that you need to be careful when you decide to sell, because I'm also in this sell and I'll tell you where I entered my sell trade. But I will be looking to take um my profits somewhere around this area here where you see all these wicks forming there. Okay, and the reason why uh, all these wicks that are forming here shows that there were a lot of sellers here that pushed price down. Price bounced off this level and suddenly went up straight with full force, breaking through that level. And definitely, price will come. Price got to this resistance level, and I'm expecting price to get back down into this level. And I will be looking for opportunities around this area. There's still the possibility that price could go all the way down back to this area here. It can always happen. No, with forex, it's not 100% into this area here, form a bullish reversal pattern, and continue all the way to the upside. And the reason why I'm so sure that price will continue all the way to the upside was from my previous analysis on the weekly time frame, when I said price has bounced off that Fibonacci retracement and is beginning to move to the upside, and I'm expecting a break of this resistance level here. And this only confirms that for me as well. Also, if you go down to the 4-hour time frame where we normally take our entry, so this is where I took my entry around here. After price formed that nice pin bar here, and the next candle was a bearish candle, I was able to enter into a trade there, and I'm looking to take my exits somewhere around here at around 160, 170 pips. So a short move really. And again, the reason I'm saying that as well is if you look at this retracement here, again, we are taking that the move that is formed, this down move, is a retracement. So we're just looking for where the retracement is going to end. Then we're looking into this area here that I drew, and that is between the 0.38 2 level and 0.5% Fibonacci level. Price may even go as far as the 0.618 Fibonacci level, maybe forming a weak here and quickly rejecting off. But around this area is where I'm expecting price to reverse. Okay. It's also very possible that price could reverse from where it is currently, but I will be patient and waiting for price to go all the way here and before it gives me a bullish signal. And once it does, then I'll be taking my buy trade. So for the upcoming week, what I'm expecting is for price to enter into this area here, this blue area, give us a bullish reversal pattern and continue all the way to the top. So if you're not yet in this trade, I would suggest that you be patient and wait for price to enter into this area and look for your buy opportunities around this area. It may not happen on a Monday or on a Tuesday, but just keep waiting for price to react around this area and take your buy opportunities from here. If price continues to be bearish and pushes through this level, then don't take any trade at all and just wait for price to get to this level and see how it reacts. If price breaks and closes below this area strongly, then you can take your sell trade to the downside. But if price gets back down to this 1762 level and forms a bullish reversal, then you need to take your sell trade to the upside. So this has basically been my analysis for gold this coming week. I'm expecting a bullish trade this coming week, and I'm expecting to look for buy opportunities as well. Next, I'll be talking about my analysis for Euro USD. So for Euro USD, again, we'll be going through from the weekly time frame. Then we'll take our trade. Then we'll do our analysis from the weekly down to the 4-hourly time frame. So from the weekly time frame, we can see that closed strongly bearish, and you can see price has broken below the level that I marked out, which is the 1.26 level, and now price is heading back down towards this support level over here where it tested before. So price has tested once, came here, and I've now tested this level again. So it's not looking to get all the way down here. So that's what I'm waiting for price to reach this level, and we'll see how price reacts. If price breaks this area to the downside, then I'll expect more sell trades. But if price gets here and gives us a bullish reversal pattern, then I'm expecting to take the trade all the way to the upside. Okay. And personally, I am expecting that area to hold. I'm expecting that when price gets down to this area here, to this zone, this support area, I'm expecting price to hold and then bounce to the upside, giving us like a double bottom pattern. But again, as we know, this is forex trading and anything can happen, and price can easily break this to the downside. If it does, I'll be looking for a retest to enter and take my sell trade all the way down. Reason I'm looking for a retest when it breaks this level is because this break could be a fake out and price could just get down here and instead of giving us a bearish reversal pattern here, it just continues all the way to the upside, meaning that this is a fake out. So you need to be very careful and wait for your confirmation before entering a sell trade if price does retest this level. Again, we can just go to the daily time frame where we normally take our entry. Okay, you can also take your entry on the daily time frame, but the 4-hourly time frame is where I like to take my entry. So we, like I marked out previously, all these areas price failed to break below and kept on bouncing off this area, and finally the price has broken it and closed for the first time strongly below that area. So I'm expecting price to just continue all the way down here, and we'll see how price reacts. So if price gives us, like I said earlier, a buy opportunity, then we'll take it to the upside. But if price doesn't give us a buy opportunity and breaks through, then we'll wait for a retest and take our trades to the downside. So this is my analysis for Euro USD and for gold as well. My bias is mostly bullish. I'm expecting the price to buy from this area, but if it doesn't, then I'll be looking for sell opportunities when price breaks that area. And same for GBP, same for gold as well. My bias is strongly bullish, but I'm expecting price to retrace a little bit before giving us that bullish move. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. If it has, kindly leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel. And to help us grow, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. And I would see you in the next analysis video. Peace.